Bud's Cookhouse. Today, I'm in the mood for something comforting. It's cold outside, it's dreary, it's been raining all week. I need something to warm me up. And something I like to make doesn't take too long. It's a bit out of that ordinary for most people. That's pork necks and tails with gravy. Now, if we get to it, you see here I got about a pound of pork neck, which is actually quite a bit of meat on them. And I got about a pound of pork tails. Now, you wash these off clean. They come in the store perfectly fine. You're not going to have any odd taste. It must be very porky, very swiney when you eat it. So we got our old pressure cooker out here. So we'll load this up with the tails and the necks. Put that on in. We got 3 cups of chicken broth. We got about 3/4 of a large yellow onion sliced. About 2 tablespoons of a minced garlic. 1 bay leaf. And a couple good shakes of seafood seasoning. And you say, that's seafood seasoning. Yeah, but it's got a lot of good flavors that work well with the gravy and the pork. Alright, got our ingredients inside. We're going to set this lid on 25 minutes at high pressure. Let it come off after 20 minutes to natural decompression. So don't hit the little switch. Just let it completely go itself. I'll finish the cooking. We'll make our gravy as soon as that's wrapped up. So about 25 minutes we cook the pork necks and tails. Another 5-10 minutes to let this depressurize naturally. It's smelling really good, but we gotta get this gravy made. So I've made up a slurry of cornstarch and cold water, about 4 tablespoons cold water, or 4 tablespoons cornstarch, to it's about 1.5 cups of cold water. So we're gonna slowly put this in here. Then we're gonna let it boil just a little bit. Now you never want to mix cold, hot water with cornstarch. You end up with glue. That's not what we're wanting here today. That's in. Give this a good stir. Now start thickening up here. This is just slightly less than boiling. So it's going to probably take a few minutes to thicken. And we'll dip out of some pork necks and tails, maybe some onion. We'll have us a taste. Alright, we'll allow this come back up to a boil, so thicken up with that cornstarch slurry we put in. You see that gravy's thick now. I'm going to boil me up a bit here. Get some of these necks. I'm going to get some of these tails. Try to get some of these onions in here. Well, they're in here someplace. I think I got some right here. Well, yeah, can't get no onions. So soft they liquefied into deliciousness. But I am going to take a taste of these necks and tails here. Now, you can see here, that meat is as tender as it can be. Comes right off that bone. That's going to be hot. I'm going to break a piece a little bit here. Blow on it. It just melts in your mouth. People underestimate the good flavor that you get in the odd pieces and cuts of meat. Don't shy away just because it's not something you normally see in the butcher aisle. Try the odd stuff. It's good. You look on this pig, you can see a little bit of that collagen. It'll coat your lips, it's so good. And maybe it's not your texture thing. It is mine. And that's pork necks and tails with gravy. Hey guys, thanks for joining us in the Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down in the corner. Tell your mom and them check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You'll see some behind the scenes stuff, upcoming stuff, and maybe some new videos we'll only post over there. We'll see you next time.